Oh my goodness, it's so cold outside. We just thought we would bring you into the wonderful time that we're going to be doing today and showing you exactly what it is we're going to get up to. What do you think we're going to get up to? No good. Look at this crazy mess, I'm telling you. Gal, it's so bumpy because they have all of this darn stuff going, and then they have all of this. But you know what? You can take a look when we're going slow at this. Look, they probably have that big fish too. Look at outside. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's a big fish.
Look at this. Okay, maybe we can get to see the fish.
Yeah, you will.
Yay. Let's see if we can see the fish. Look at all. It's crazy because you got. Looky.
Do you see the size of that fish?
Show the size of that fish. See, look. Oh. Let's see if I can. Isn't that cool?
Walleye replica. So if you guys are not used to, if you're down in the south, it's a walleye, a replica of a walleye, which is a highly sought after fish up here in the north.
There's fish flies everywhere! That's how I feel like right now. I'm like, oh my god, everywhere I look.
Fish flies are no fun.
No, and the crazy thing is I don't like them. I have to tell you a story while we're in the car, real quick. And if I find a fish fly today, I'll stick it in the video and show you a picture of it. Because when I first came up here, mind you, I'm not I'm an outdoorsy person, but I'm not an outdoorsy person. Like I'll hang outdoors with you for a minute, you know, and then I'm like, yeah, we're done with this.
The fish flies flying
and you can see the fish flies.
Fish flies, when they have a hatch up in this area, they've gotten so bad that they've had to actually had snow plows out, the big trucks, the county snow plows, to plow the roads because the fish flies get so bad and the roads get so greasy. They're just, you know, they're pretty much a harmless. They're harmless, but they are a nuisance.
And they stink like fish. The story is, I came up to my mom's cabin the very first time I ever seen a fish fly, and her whole entire cabin was black, filled with these fish flies that are completely all over, and you couldn't see the cabin at all. It was completely. And I said, I am not going outside. And I put my hood up like this, and I'm like, I am not going outside. And I'm panicking, and my mom's like, no, Crystal, you have to go outside. Like, that you're gonna sleep there, or you're gonna sleep in the car, one or the other. So I took this, and I went like this, and I went like this, and I had just this little part, and she is laughing hysterically, and I'm like, I don't like that. So, moral of the story is, during this weekend, it seems like a lot of fish flies. So I'm going every time I turn around today. And so so you'll know, like, that's the type of person I am. Like, I hate the fish flies. Yeah. Welcome, Brainerd. Now that would be a super cool slide. Dinosaur. Oh, this is cute. Got the duckies and the launch. I just love this little guy. See when we look out the window, and look, we got the duckies right there. It's super nice. They're putting up tables and chairs and stuff out there, but I'm watching the little ducks and the boat. Look, they broke it. Oops. Look at the ducks. Oh, a boat is out there. I love it. The sun is going down. Look at this. And the crane and the 2 ducks are still there. Look at how beautiful it is at night. The boats have to be off at 10, so this one's coming in. Then it has the little sparkle dinghy there, the little flashing boats, and then you got some stuff over here. You got the amazing work it is, and you got this going.
Kind of foggy this morning, so we're out driving back.
It's very foggy. Look at, you can hardly see.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad in the camera, but it's actually a lot foggier than what it really is.
Yeah. Look at over in the fields. You can't
really see.
Thank you for watching the little vlog that we're doing. We're going to be doing a little bit of bunny rabbit content, a little bit of family content. So I just want to say thank you. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. And happy Memorial Weekend to everyone if you celebrate that. We thank you for joining our video again. And you are highly favored, highly blessed. And I'll see you on the next video.
Thank you for all that have served this country in the armed forces. And we want to thank you, and we say a prayer for the fallen soldiers that have died for this country. That's what we're reflecting on this time of year.
Yeah.
And we say thank you for serving our country.
Yes. We appreciate it. Absolutely appreciate it. And we are